Organic coconut plantations in the Mekong Delta of Vietnam are known to grow the highest quality coconut in the world. CocoGoods has developed a branded product line to deliver the highest quality grown and processed organic coconut milk and cream process to many countries and markets around the world. The trusted relationship starts with the delivery of the highest quality coconuts from the coconut farm to the factory. These coconuts are large in size and contain thick meat. The fiber shell is then removed and transported to the production line for coconut water collection. The process continues with cutting, removing of hard shell and brown skin, as well as collection of white coconut meat. The factory and factory workers must adhere and comply to the highest international standards for hygiene and plant worker cleanliness. The coconut meat is then transferred to the washing area for final cleaning and detailed quality checks. The coconut meat will be soaked, boiled, ground, and pressed to make coconut milk. The processed coconut will then be transferred to material receiving storage tanks. The homogenizing system will draw from the material storage tanks and begin the compression process to produce the highest quality of homogenized products. The organic coconut milk is then pumped into the filtration system for final storage. The coconut milk and cream process continues the final stage of filtering prior to dispensing into filling machines for packaging into cans, which are pasteurized, labeled, master packed, and stored. The entire process is monitored and checked by the QC department in order to guarantee the highest quality manufactured products. A final inspection is performed by the laboratory team before shipment. CocoGoods stands behind all its products, guaranteeing the highest quality. CocoGoods, it's all good.